Enthusiast right here. There she is. Oh, an Audi. There she is. There's my girl. All right, let's get in here and have our conversation. All right, let's put you guys right here where you guys can see the steering wheel. It's tilted right now, is what it is. Let's just accept it, y'all. This is a different, what do you call it? Position, angle, whatever. So, you know the deal. Got to take off my, my jacket like, what is it, Mr. Rogers? Beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in Callista. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? I'm in a good location too. Nice and quiet. She is at the ready. She's ready for me. Ready for pickup. Ready to be driven. I gotta go pay this $500. Look at that. You know you guys like dealerships. There's some more cars for you. Ooh, Audi gang. All right, so what's going on, y'all? Wanna first and foremost thank you all so much for the views. I much appreciate it. Much gratitude. Gracias very much. I love you all. And for subscribing as well. Hit the notification bell so you guys know when I'm doing these. Girls, same. And yeah, I'm gonna be posting a lot of content about this car. It's a really big deal for me to have Callista in my life. And for those of you that don't know, because you're new to the channel, most of you are, I named my car Callista. I gave it a name, right? I like to name things. Is Greek for most beautiful, and I think it's very fitting for this vehicle. And it's very elegant, very sophisticated looking, classy, and above all else, I believe Audis are very timeless vehicles. They just, you know, some cars that you see on the road, they're just they don't stand the test of time. Not too many vehicles can stand the test of time, and Audi's definitely one of those vehicles that can. So yeah, so I got my car back and I'm happy. Got my Yavit, got the Audi. So I'm mega excited. I got my Callista back. VIP Auto Outlet. They pulled through, y'all. They pulled through. There it is, VIP Auto Outlet. You know, when the car broke down on me that day, I was so bummed out. Like my mind was not in the right place at the time. And when that happened, it was just like a kick in the nuts, to be honest. And that was just very hard for me. It was just hard, yo. Like, especially because this car for me it just represents who I am as a man, all my values. And you know, when that happened, I just felt like I lost a giant chunk of myself. And honestly, before I even got Callista, I was just more like feeling like I just was missing a huge chunk of myself anyway. So when I got her, I was like, yeah. And then all of a sudden, I just felt like it was snatched away when the clutch went. And I was just like, no. And then, you know, 2025, I'm trying to be more positive and optimistic about things, not be negative about things, and just try to, you know, do a lot of benefiting of the doubt and just keeping a positive mindset in general. Like, I just don't want any more negativity moving forward in my life. I'll be 39 very soon this year, and I'm just trying to make changes in my life to progress, grow, be more resilient. And this car, I believe for me, represents where I'm at in life, and also help me to move forward and motivate me to succeed and have more money and have more experiences, enjoy more things. So it's important to me that Callista, you know, was back up and running, healthy, and in my possession. All right, let's see what this looks like. Turn off ignition. Gang, gang. Okay, next to Beamer gang. Let's go. I never thought that I would own an Audi, I've always loved Audis. I love Beamers too, you know. I love cars, y'all, okay? Like, I love cars. So that's just what it is. It's just I never in my life thought that I would own an Audi, you know, let alone a luxury vehicle. Like, I've owned Subaru Legacy, I've owned two Eclipses, I've had even a Mercury Sable at one time in my life. Like, things were really hard. Jettas, or a Jetta, and I've had cars, all right, and I've driven many cars in my life, not just the ones that I've owned, not including the one for work and everything, but this was a big deal for me. Let's close this. It's not satisfying closing a hood of a car, but I digress. Clutch kit was replaced, the flywheel was replaced, which I was so happy when I seen that on the invoice that he did the flywheel, and I can't talk because I'm so excited. I've been literally driving it every day since I got it back, every night I should say. As soon as I get off work, I bang out my workout, take my shower, cook my dinner, eat my dinner, get dressed, get in Callista, and roll out, yo. Like, it doesn't matter, destination unknown. What matters to me is the journey, and I just hit the road, Jack, and call it a day, you know. Yesterday I went ahead and recalibrated my throttle on the car, so I learned how to do that, and man, does it feel so good and responsive. Like, now I don't have to hit the accelerator as much, so when I take off on first, second, whatever, like, it's responding. It's like, oh, we're going, tato, we in there, right? So yeah, I'm very, very happy about doing that. Let's go over here and close the doors, give y'all some ASMR. Oh, so moving forward, I'm gonna be documenting a lot. Again, this is a vlog, a car vlog, so it's gonna be, I don't know what it is. I don't really follow car stuff, to be honest. I know I'm a car guy. I just have too much on my plate to really focus on too many things, you know what I mean? It even sounds good closing. Ooh, back ones sound really good. There's too much that I have to do in my schedule for me to, you know, be watching a whole bunch of content on YouTube and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, I go on YouTube and I look up stuff that I need to look up, maybe for like quick shorts and stuff at night, but for the most part, I don't really follow car stuff too much. Since I've got Callista, I've been like, I subscribed to like one channel, I can't remember the name of it, but it's a nice channel because I can see which mods I can like look forward to doing. That's why I said the intake manifold, I'm definitely looking into upgrading that later this year. It's about $1,000 to upgrade it, but you know, as soon as I pay the car off, I'm in there. I just checked this the other day because I was curious to see if I had a metal intake manifold, but unfortunately I do not. So that's going to be a part of the upgrade that I'm going to have to get done later this year. Right now the goal is to pay this debt completely off before I modify anything on it, because I don't want to modify the bank's car. There's going to be levels of modifications that I'm going to do to the vehicle as I start doing a stage 1, stage 2 tune. I want to do external appearances as well. All these things are coming. It's just money, right? So that plays a huge factor. Like, I'm not made out of money. I got a lot of responsibilities, but it's nice that this car gives me a foundation for my growth, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like I've already laid the foundation on my end as far as like making gains, you know, eating correctly, taking care of my overall health, working. This one right here is like the next evolution of my growth, and you know, I'm happy to have you guys and you girls here to share this experience with and share my journey. I promise I'll try my best to keep you guys entertained with all the, you know, the shots and showing you all the angles and getting as much footage as I can, but I'm just one man, so you have to bear with me, and I think we're gonna have a good time together. Ready for the hood? Or sorry, the trunk? Hang on. Ooh. All right. Hold on. Two more doors. Ready? Hold on. Oh, look at that. It's my nutsack. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Callista's back with me. Ah, there she is, y'all. For your viewing pleasure, she's back on the road. She's healthy again. Oil level phenomenal. Clutch kit, flywheel, bearings, all installed, replaced, updated. We in there. All right, so I'm gonna keep this video short. I'm not gonna talk your ear out, but please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff you would do when you're showing people love on YouTube. All right, real quick question I have for y'all. What kind of car do you drive? Is it manual? Is it automatic? And everybody get involved, boost everybody's ego, and keep it professional, keep it respectful, and let's just have fun. Let's just get the conversation in the community growing. Gratitude again for the 107 views on my first video. I'm hoping this one does, as good. But we will see. All right, so thank you very much. I'm Ali. I'll see y'all next time. Dos.